Welcome back to the best Austroflamm channel on this side of the internet, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, Off-Grid Stoves and More is your source for all the parts necessary for Austroflamm Rika, Vizio, Premio, you name it, anything that has to do with Austroflamm, it's right here. Just want to give you a quick update. We have moved our shop. And as you can see here, we have a new 70-foot long shop that is necessary because we were at the point to where we had to farm out large powder coating jobs and so forth because our oven just wasn't going to work. The last shop just was in need of space. So not only do we have the shop going up, we also have our new tornado resistant container home, which if you want to see what's going on there, we will be uploading videos soon. This is the first video letting you guys know that we are all up and running. Our plasma table's all hooked up, ready to cut out anything that you want in the way of heat shields, hearth pads, you name it. We are also getting into more customized lines. Let's just say you like Bigfoot. You know, if you want a Bigfoot heat shield, tool sets, log holders, you name it, it's in the works. Bigfoot has turned out to be just very, very popular. So anyhow, Austroflamm clients, if you need help, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com and you will get an answer back from us, even though we're out here from morning till night trying to get this place all lined up. If you do want to call and leave a message, for those out there that don't have a computer or whatever, 800-348-1021. And again, email offgridstoves@gmail.com. We're here to help, guys. We're making a lot of our own products now. One of the main distributors that was working with us, they are very slow at stocking Austroflamm parts this season. So we are making a lot of our own parts. Prices are better. Don't have to pay the middleman. So if you're looking for the right part the first time, if you have to troubleshoot your stove, you name it. All right, guys, videos are coming. We're going to start putting them back on now. I've had a lot of questions about a lot of things so far this year, and I'm going to go ahead and address them with new videos. So hit that subscribe button, hit like so we pop up when people type in Austroflamm looking for help and assistance to stay warm during these cold months ahead. Alrighty? Peace.